guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Google Pixel 8. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated by remote. How to activate it you will find the manual to your device or maybe on our YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for fun, let's start from the restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone. In the next step, let's open the settings. Then go to the system and choose Reset Options. Tap on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on the Reset Settings button. In the next step, you can also try to upgrade your system, so go to the system like before and choose System Update. If you have any updates, you can check it by the Check for Update button, install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.